Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khadija if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be installing this 13x4 Skin Melt HD wig from Sogoodhair. Y'all, honestly, this is probably one of the best wigs that I've ever received, and you're gonna see what I mean when we get into this video. So when I first started this video, you guys can see that I didn't have to, but I shampooed the hair before I had showed you guys, because it got a little wet, but I made it come all together. Like, the curls are beautiful. I wish I could have got everything on camera for you guys, but of course the wig comes with combs, it comes with the elastic band, comes with the straps in the back. It's going to give you everything that you need to wear this wig glueless or as like a full install with glue. So as you can see now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace from the bald cap. I am a little bit lazy when it comes down to my own installs, but of course I made this work very well. I am using makeup for this install. I know a lot of people use lace tint. I am a fan of both. I would use both as needed. If I can spray some lace tint and it melt with my client's skin or my skin perfectly, bet that's cool, that's fine, but most times I am using makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the makeup on this wig and all that stuff, and we're just gonna keep getting started. I will be using Erica J products with this install. As you can see, I am cleaning my forehead with alcohol before I install this wig. With her products, like, my wig never lifts and never, like, you know, do any of that extra stuff. It always stay down or whatever. But I'm going to be using alcohol, then skin guard, and then the actual glue. I will be using 3 layers of glue for this specific install, and I did decide to go in with some crimps. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Hair by Khadija. I do post my clients, I post myself, I post wigs, and I do plan on doing a lot more wigs, and you know, just give y'all more content or whatever. I am getting ready to finish beauty school, so that's very exciting. But yeah, just keep on watching for the final product, and I may chime in more at the end of this video. So now I'm getting ready to place this frontal wig down. It was very hard to record this install, not only because I'm installing it on myself, but also because I was in my studio and it is not record friendly in there right now. So it is very hard to record and install. But I can say with HD wigs, I don't know about anybody else or you guys, but I do find it a little more tedious to place the frontal down with the lace being so thin, and it's more prone to bunching. So that there kind of was a little bit of an issue for me, because I do have a little bit of a weird hairline. Like, one side of my hairline comes down further than the other, so when it comes down to the frontals being made the way that they are, I do not have the perfect hairline. So usually have to do a little bit more than usual, I would say. You guys will see me like keep trying to remove it and place it, remove it and place it, and all that other stuff. But I mean, it came out well at the end. But if you do run into this problem, I do suggest for you to kind of cut into the lace a little bit. You guys will see what I mean in maybe like the next clip or whatever. But just keep watching to see what I did exactly, and you guys will get it. Like, it'll be really, really quick. So this is a clip where I mean when I say that I'm going to cut into it a little bit, just to kind of like get it the fit perfectly for me, and just place both of the flaps back down and just, you know, press it in, make it blend. It's kind of hard to do this with thicker lace because with the thicker the lace is, the more visible it is. But if you have a HD skin melt wig like this one, then I mean you wouldn't really have much of that problem. So if you can, just go ahead and cut into it. But if it's gonna mess up your install, don't even risk it. But this is just something that I do for my own hairline, and sometimes for my clients who have pretty what's the word I'm looking for, specific, particular hairline. So yeah, this is just something that I do, so food for thought. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace and, you know, just complete this install. The baby hairs were already done. I kind of wanted to get the baby hairs on camera, but I did have a client, so it's kind of like I was doing this in between clients or whatever. So I kind of had to do what I had to do. But I mean, it still came out really, really well. And as you guys can see, like, I'm placing it and you can't see anything. Like, who's gonna clock me? Oh yeah, see, nobody. You guys will see, like, at the end of the video, I posted a video of, you know, me, no filter, no nothing. I mean, serious arrogant TAE vibes. Like, I always tell people, the right lace will make your install look so perfect and so seamless. And I know oftentimes with HD lace, it is more prone to breakage because it is thinner. But I haven't had no issues with this at all. I can't wait to reinstall this wig. I love it. I will continue to wear it. Y'all, it is worth the money, honey. Like, go get this wig, for real. So at this point, the wig is pretty much on. Like, I'm just making sure that it's laid down real slick, you know, my little hot comb, and, you know, just putting everything in place how I want it to. I would love to do a really full and detailed video on these installs, but I mean, it has been kind of hard to get around to these things at the moment. But like I said, I am almost done with school, but I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop these baby hairs real nice, you know, real sleek. You know, look at, I mean, honestly, like, y'all, look at the hairline. Like, look at the lace. Like, it's perfect. Y'all, I'm not even kidding. Like, this is, y'all see this firsthand, front and center. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on swooping my baby hairs. You guys can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit, not really, but kinda. I am using Gorilla Slime for this specific baby hair tutorial. I don't recommend using Gorilla Slime all the time because it does cake up in your lace, and I'm not a fan of that. So I just use it when I initially install frontals and closures and stuff, and then I kind of go about my business and I just use something else or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop these baby hairs, and I'll come back when I'm done. And here is the finished install, y'all. I mean, look at this hair. Go and get this wig from Sogoodhair company, y'all. It is worth it. Look at the TAE vibes. I mean, like, period. You see me? So yeah, y'all, go ahead and follow my Instagram at Hair by Khadijah. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out this wig. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.